This video will show you how to build a better search in library databases using Boolean connectors, truncation, and proximity searching. We always start with a research question. Are there movements on college campuses to support renewable energy efforts? Our main concepts are renewable energy and college campuses. We've also identified several additional concept terms, such as alternative fuel, sustainability, and college students. We start by putting these items together using Boolean connectors. The Boolean connectors used most often are the word and the word or. And is used to combine unique concepts and narrow down a search. The word or is used to combine synonyms or similar concepts and finds more results. For example, a very simple search we could run for our research question is renewable energy and college campuses. I've done that in the Academic Search Ultimate database from the library website. You can see that when I typed in renewable energy in the first search box, the database provided the and Boolean connector in the drop-down menu. I also typed college campuses in the second box. This search combination got us 276 results. Not bad, but we know there are additional terms out there that describe these concepts. So we already identified college campuses, but we could also talk about college students, and then we've also identified renewable energy or alternative fuel or sustainability. So in the initial search that we ran, every result contained the words renewable energy and college campuses. But by using the OR connector, we're able to broaden our search and bring in some additional results that contain the phrase college students or contain the phrases alternative fuel or sustainability. So let's run a new search. You can see that we added to our list of results by using the word or and looking for synonyms or related terms that describe the same concepts that we had started with. So now we went from 276 up to 1,667 by using or and adding in those additional terms. Now, another search strategy that you could use is truncation. This is the idea that you could type in the root of a word and then an asterisk, and it would find all forms of the word. For example, the search would be to find the word sustainable, but you could also find the word sustainability. This is a good way to make efficient use of your search time. Something else you could try is proximity searching. This is when you tell the database how close you want the words to be to each other within an article. You usually use this when you have a really large number of search results and they tend to be irrelevant. You can tell the database you want the words or phrases to be within 5 words of each other or within 10. Really, the number is up to you, and how you phrase this may differ from database to database. So be sure to check with the individual database help pages. These are the 3 most common ways of phrasing this. We could say something like renewable energy W20 college students, and that would find articles where the phrase renewable energy, it was within 20 words of the phrase college students. If you have any questions about the search techniques demonstrated in this video, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is available in the video description below, as well as on the library website, Library.Pace.edu. And there you can click on the Ask a Librarian button to get in touch with us.